Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is a totally different video focusing on Ubuntu, which is the first vegan, eco-friendly community cafe of Kolkata. I am not a vegan personally, I am a hardcore non-vegetarian, but still I thought of dropping here. So let's get inside to see what's in the kitchen. Is an overview of the menu which you get over here, and this is the look of the cafe from outside. Now let me show you how the inside look is. Luckily, I managed to speak with the owners. The name is this Ubuntu.
Thank you for asking this question first of all. So Ubuntu is basically a story from an African tribe. So this tribe is basically known to be the happiest tribe of the world. Like everyone is just happy there. There's no fighting, there's no clash, there's no ego, there's no jealousy. So many people believe that this is a myth. So one curious person has visited and he has actually reached there with his backpack. Now the moment he enters into the tribe, on the gate itself, he is welcomed by 50, 60 young children of 5 year, 10 year, 8 year, 7 year, very cute children all standing together, and they all are gifting him either a flower, either a toy, either a fruit, either a food item, and they are all saying to him, welcome to our tribe. And he's like, oh my god, such a warm welcome I never received in my whole life. But he's feeling strange there because the city he comes from, they teach to their children, don't talk to strangers. And here it was opposite. The children were talking to him before he could introduce himself. So he is searching something in his bag to give to them something. He gets some chocolates, so he's happy, chalo, I'm carrying some chocolate, thank God. But the moment he's counting chocolates, there are hardly 15 to 20 chocolates. And then he's like, oh my God, so many children, whom to give, whom not to give, it will be a very tough task. So he immediately comes with an idea, let me play a game with them. In that form, he will also make children entertained because children love playing games, and whoever will win, the chocolate will be given to that child or those children. So he immediately declares, let's play a game today. Game is simple. There was a big tree in that tribe. He goes near to the tree, he keeps a box of chocolate under the tree. Then he asked all the children to stand 100 meters away from the tree to another corner, and he told, I will count to 3. On count of 3 you all need to run, and the fastest of you will win the box of chocolate. Simple. No one ran. They all started walking holding their hand together. They ran to the tree. They walked to the tree holding their hand together. They sat down in a circle. They opened the box of chocolate, and then they themselves divided in a form that everybody had it equally. Nobody had more, nobody had it less. So they all say, Ubuntu, Ubuntu, Ubuntu. Ubuntu. What is it? Ubuntu means I am because we are. Sabai achi, I am achi. And if I have to say Ubuntu for this tribe, it will be only a vegan word because we won't harm any other animal or species for our own benefit. So hence Ubuntu became the name of this cafe.
Thank you so much. They have this infused water which contains ginger, pudina, lemon and cucumber, which just tastes great and smells great also. Now the dishes are here, 2 of their best sellers, Kolkata style unmutton biryani and Kolkata style fish fry. Is there in this fish fry like the FYSH fry?
Yes, we call it FYSH fish fry because it does not have any animal products in it. Okay? So it is basically made of soy, and the main or the key ingredient of having the fishy smell is the seaweed. The seaweed gives you the ashtani smell, what we call it. And the other coating or the green coating that you can see.
Yeah, there is a
here.
coriander coating, I think, which is the
Yeah, the coating is made of coriander. Also, there will be green chili and there will be
it's a bit spicy.
Yeah, a bit of milk, and that coats the fish too. And then
And
we
it
coat it with the.
is really really crispy. I should mention all as well.
Okay, yeah, thanks so much. So that gives you also the sevai we use for the coating along with the crumbs, which to bring the authentic fish fry style. That's it. Thank you.
Eat payesh without milk. How can we have ice cream without the cow milk? And what about the cheese in the pizza which we had?
So we all have these ingredients or the items in the menu, as you have seen. Because আমরা পুরো vegan cheese বানাচ্ছি। In আমাদের kitchen in house we are making plant-based cheese using cashew and few more ingredients, and we are making plant-based ice cream, which we call nice creams, because they are nice to your body and to the animals. So they are nice cream which has combination of milk. Like, see, we have many options of milk now. To others it seems like cow's milk only. To us there is rice milk, coconut milk, peanut milk, and then there is hemp milk, almond milk, soy milk. So we have got many varieties of milk to play with, to bring out all these ingredients to plate. And payesh you asked, that is also a combination of coconut milk and some other milk. যাতে টেস্টটা আসে। We are having Mughal bread payesh now the whole winter season.
You are having all the cuisines, right? Bengali, Chinese, and
We have got Bengali,
continental.
Chinese, Lebanese, and Thai, and there is also some English items definitely, so which we call Western items or continental items, and other Oriental dishes as well. Italian, of course.
Now, how much healthy are these vegan ice cream, cheese, and these things?
So the best part is that it does not have the animal protein or the animal fat, or basically no animal. I just want to stay behind the food for now. I just want to.
So, focusing on the biryani,
Oh,
this is the mutton biryani and
we call it unmutton biryani.
mutton biryani, better to say. So, this is the mutton thing, I believe, and
তুমি হাত দিয়ে ছিঁড়ে দিবে এটাতে পারো ইউ ওয়ান্ট টু ফর দ্য টেক্সচার
Okay.
এন্ড
yeah, it feels totally like mutton. Like, how do you manage to get this mutton and
this
chicken?
is made of pea protein, quinoa, and
Yeah.
butter gluten, and of course
Anything
soy.
from-
Bit of soy, not much, but yeah. But the whole flavor of biryani that you can tell how it is.
Yeah, it's
Try
too
it
good.
out. Try it out.
It's too good, really too good. I'm not feeling like I'm not having unmutton biryani. It's totally feel of I'm having a mutton biryani.
We try to bring the flavors.
Yeah. And you are 100% successful in that. The flavor is awesome and
Aloo is
The
a very
smell
important
is-
ingredient. Just
Yes.
taste the aloo and tell first. Yeah.
and the smell is also like the mutton biryani. The normal Kolkata style mutton. This is also the same concept.
Oh, butter chicken also is a very popular dish here.
It's a best seller, I think, with
After kosha mangsho lachha paratha is butter chicken and jeera rice. That is our best seller. Then butter chicken we make it using obviously cashew cream in the butter chicken gravy, and the chicken is also another mock chicken we create and using, and it's also a best seller. We actually call our kitchen as a CFK, it's cruelty free kitchen. More than a kitchen, it's a plant-based lab, because we literally try to veganize so many non-vegan items that is more popular in Bengal, that are more popular in Bengal, because we do not want the population to give up taste, but to go plant-based. That's the main aim. It becomes difficult for many people who are foodies, who love so much of food, which also includes the non-vegan food, to give up or to even try to go vegan. তার জন্য, if it is possible to try out things which will taste more like what you used to have on your daily life, I think that's more easy and convenient. তাই জন্য we are just trying hard to veganize different items that are popular.
So you have been vegan for how long?
So hi, first of all, I am Vikash, and
Hi.
I have been vegan for almost 6 years now.
Okay. Name of eco-friendly community cafe. What is this eco-friendly?
Yeah, so I will explain. So Ubuntu explains is like every aspect, health aspect, environment aspect and animals, the life of animals and all. So we have put the environment angle also. So how, like every furniture over here, you can show like this is the Omni Benka seat, which was not in use. We repaired. The all furnitures are from cargo waste.
Okay.
Everything from cargo का material है. We don't use any single use plastics. Right. हमारे जो पैकेजिंग के जो बॉक्सेस है वो sugar cane crush के बने हुए हैं. We give newspaper bags. Right.
Paper bags.
Paper bags. This is the old fridge
Yes.
जो अभी लाइब्रेरी है. जो यूज में नहीं था and we repaired and it's library. So it's more about sustainability. We promote कि कितना हो सके नेचर से ले नहीं वापस उनको दे.
Balancing the environment.
बैलेंसिंग द एनवायरनमेंट. कि नया पेड़ काटे, नया फर्नीचर बनाए, नया चेयर बनाए, नया अलमीरा बनाए एंड नेचर को डिस्ट्रॉय कर रहे हैं. जब पुरानी चीज़ें हैं उसको वी कैन रिपेयर इट एंड वी कैन यूज इट. सो वी मेक वेरी टेस्टी फूड. बचता नहीं है और अगर बच जाता है तो वो कंपोस्ट होता है. पीछे कंपोस्टिंग है तो सारा खाना हो, प्लास्टिक हो, सब कुछ वो रिसाइकल हो जाता है. प्लास्टिक तो है ही नहीं, बाकी सारा चीज़ें रिसाइकल हो जाती है. इसे बोला बोला जीरो वेस्ट कहते से कोई वेस्ट जनरेट नहीं होता. And a very beautiful message. किसी ने bottles पी के छोड़ दी and we have used these bottles.
Yeah.
Are upcycled. Yellow taxi का seat. If you are in Kolkata, you have always seen yellow taxi.
Yes.
And we have taken that seat from the taxi. And now it's a sofa seat. All the blocks, the menu of Ubuntu and everything from upcycled wood. And I was talking about the packaging bags and all. So this is the kind of digital bags, right?
Okay.
We give for takeaways, for Swiggy, Zomato, delivery.
Deliveries.
Yeah, and also this bags made by women work in the NGO, so they also get livelihood through this cafe.
Can you show me the containers?
Yeah. So these are the containers we use mostly for deliveries and takeaways.
Okay.
Like this is made of sugarcane crush. The material is called bagash.
Okay.
Right. So it's like a completely eco-friendly.
And spillage का कोई problem नहीं होता इससे?
No, there is no problem. कोई problem नहीं होता. Like.
And you use this for the smoothies, right?
We use it for smoothies, shakes, or maybe juices and all.
Okay.
So it's like everything is plastic free. Steel straws. We have steel cleaner. We have a bamboo toothbrush rakes we provide. Then people, suppose if you are traveling, you want to go anywhere. So in this cutlery sets, there are spoons, fork, and straw cleaner, straws. All these are there. So
Thank you so much, Vikas, for your time and patience.
Thank you so much.
So this one is forest bathing. This one is vanilla, and this one is mango moment. They provide a zero waste bill. Now I totally enjoyed my visit of Ubuntu. So guys, don't wait, go and check out their mouth-watering dishes from various cuisines which are cruelty free and vegan. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. I will be soon back with a brand new one.